Hi class, this is Mrs. Miller here. I am going to review question number 4, this question on our Spiral Math Review Week 1, Day 1, 3rd grade. So I had a student ask me, Mrs. Miller, I don't understand number 4, not surprised because this is something that has not been immediately taught in class. However, I found this resource and I liked it enough to use it. So I'd like to explain to you the question and how to answer. I will not be using the exact example in the review. For number 4, I'll be using different digits and equations. All right, number 4 says, what number should be placed in the box to make the number sentence true? We also know that a number sentence is just another word to use for equation. So this is giving me the idea that I have to have an equation that equals an equation. So I'm going to ask that you identify the operation. We are working with division, and we are practicing and trying to understand our division fact families. So it is something that I really do want you to understand at this point, that you are expected to understand 32 divided by 8 to solve an answer. I'm going to go to a different example. Excuse me. I'm going to use the fact family of 7 and 3. So I'm going to say my product that's not the right word. Okay, I am going to look to understand that my division of these equations, these pieces, they have names. We were reviewing this in class just about a week ago. We are really understanding that the work that we need to have is a dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay, so I was right with quotient. I was putting it in the wrong spot. So there you are, seeing my little cheat moment at this time, and I am going to go back to the spiral math. Okay, so I have a dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N, by a divisor. Okay, my dividend, my divisor. So I'm just going to use an example, 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Now, I need to find a multiplication or a division fact family that I can actually say has the same answer, same product of 7. So this is my product. So how am I going to match? I'm going to say 21 divided by 3 equals 70 divided by 10. So now I have a dividend divided by a divisor. I'm going to keep them equal. 21 divided by 3 equals 70 divided by 10. The products of these two equations are the same. So in the example, 32 divided by 8, please give me the product. Then you'll have to know enough about your 6 fact family to find the missing dividend to equal the same product as 32 divided by 8. So please solve left to right. We'll be working first with getting the answer or the product. 32 divided by 8. What's that answer? If you have an answer, now you have to move over to your understanding of the fact family 6. How can you make an equation to have the same product as what you've done, 32 divided by 8? Then you'll be adding the missing dividend to the red box. You are great. You're mat movers. You can do this. We are practicing division and multiplication skills in class. This is the perfect challenge to give you and me the reminder that dividend, divisor, product, these words that we use in division have a purpose. We are looking at how equations can equal equations. Any more questions or comments? Feel free to let me know, and I'm here to help.